Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. This one. Need installing. Wait a second for installing. And now click open. Then need close ads. Now need search your application. Maybe YouTube. Okay. Now need change, for example, icon, maybe like this, or like settings, maybe like this. Okay, and for saving this icon, need click OK button in the top right corner, and need to give permission for this application. Need choose app permissions, camera, allow, back, and files media, allow, and back. Now need click back one more time, other permissions, maybe home screen shortcuts, always allow, and click back. Now click back one more time for saving and click OK one more time. Now wait a second for generating, close ads one more time. And now we got our new YouTube icon onto home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.